Hello and welcome. Another lesson of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we will work with a fill handle and custom list. So what do we mean by that? So there are a predefined list inside Excel. So the reason for them, just to make your life easier. So those like the months, the days of the week, and so on. So for example, when you write January, just write Jan or full January. So you don't want to write February, March, April until December. You see this little square here at the end of the cell, the edge of the cell? Just click on it. When you have your mouse, you'll be like this plus sign and drag it down. So how many months you want? Until 9, it will be September, right? If you want to go until 12, you'll be December. And then after that, it will repeat the list. Start from January and so on. Okay, after December again, January. So this is called predefined list. It's already there in Excel. Okay. So just to make your life easy. Same thing if you wanna days of the week, sun, and then you go click down. You're gonna have Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. So if you write it full Sunday like this, you're gonna have the rest as a full, right? Just like this. Okay, and then you see this extra. We already learned how to fix this issue here. Just go ahead and double click. We'll make it bigger. Okay, now those lists there. So now if I wanna use numbers, so if I write 1, let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be the same thing. I'll say no, and I will tell you why. It's all ones. Why didn't say me 1, 2, 3? Because Excel does not know what kind of sequence you wanna use, right? That's why with numbers is different issue. So if I wanna write the number from 1, 2, the sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, I have to write 2 after 1, and then I have to make sure I select both of them. And then when you select both of them, you keep doing the same thing. Drag it down. Now it will know the sequence one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 9, 10, and then it will continue, right? But if you could make it for any kind of sequence, not necessarily 1, 2. You could make it 1, 3, 5. Make it like 5, 10. Okay, any kind of sequence. Excel will understand it like this, and then it will do the rest for like this. So now you select both of them, and then if you don't know how to select it, just click on this one and keep clicking and drag it down. This is how you select both of them. And go to the little square and drag down. See what the sequence will be. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. If you make like 100 by 100, 100, and then 150, okay? Look what's going to happen. So it increase 50 by 50. Select both of them and go down. Okay? So this is how flexible you can do. So those, the predefined list, either numbers or days of the week or the months and so on. Now we're gonna go when you want to build your own list. So Excel, they have, as I said, they have their own list, predefined list, but now you want to build your own list. So how to build your own list? Let's do that. Follow me. You go File, and then you go all the way down to Options, and then from Option go to Advanced, and then from Advanced go all the way down to Edit Custom List. Okay, click here. So here, as we're gonna see, you're gonna see the list is already there. Okay, it's already in Excel. You cannot delete those lists. Keep in your mind, you cannot edit them, you cannot change them. Okay, you can import lists from outside, or you can make a new list and then add it. So for example, okay, let's do like a list of engineering department in a specific college. Let's start with, for example, civil engineering, and then after civil I put computer engineering, and then after computer I put mechanical. Okay, any list, mechanical engineer, and then I could put industrial, and then what else? Civil, let's say biomedical. Okay, and more. It's up to you. But the list starts from civil, computer, mechanical, industrial, biomedical. This is like I made this list. Just add it. Okay, and now you have list here, and then say okay. That's it. Okay. So come here. Right. Civil, the first one. Okay, and drag down. See how things work. Okay, so how amazing Excel with list. So you can redefine you can design your own list, and then use it anytime you want during your in your sheet. Okay, just to make your life easier, make your work faster. Okay, so and then if you want to delete this list, fine, just go file, and then again option, and then from option you go advanced, and then you go all the way down, and then editor custom list. So I have this one, that's I make it. I could delete it, or I could add more for it. Okay, so delete, or you could add more one, just delete. Okay, but you cannot delete those, they are locked, so for you cannot delete them. Okay, that's all about fill handler and what we call it, how you make your own list or create your own list. Thank you for watching. See you again.